Today we're gonna talk about a basic guard stance. Hi, I am Hong Ling for 6dragonscanfu.com. Let's build your first basic guard stance. One leg forward, the other opens as you feel comfortable. So here, the back foot is pointing slightly in direction of the opponent, so this way. The other one is pointing always in the direction of the opponent, but slightly more straight. The front knee bend, the other also. You have to feel comfortable. Shoulders are relaxed. You are slightly on your side. You close your elbows, touching them to your chest. Hands are in front of your mouth. Here, fingers are not open, not closed. They are attached like this and slightly bent. Chin goes down to cover your neck and your weak point. Your line of sight is directed to the base of the opponent's neck, this way. Your chest slightly bends to compress the abdomen, so you are in this position. The weight is on the front leg. When you stand still, the back leg has less weight. The heel is ready to push forward. Why it is wrong to position the feet this way? Because you cannot push. If the feet is directed frontally, you can push forward and add power to punch, to move. From this position, you are ready to move in all the directions. The opening of the legs must not overcome the one of our shoulders. So here, in this position, you are more stable, but you can move faster. In this position, you are less stable and you can move faster, but you have to find the balance. So this way, be ready to go forward. Why the weight must be forward directed? Because the opponent pushes his action toward you. If you take the weight backward, you will easily fall. So go in the direction of your opponent. Your line of gravity must be slightly moved forward. Ready to grab, ready to hit, ready to parry, ready to kick. The length of your guard must not always be the same. If the opponent is near you, you have to close it. Close yourself. If the opponent is far away, you have to elongate the front arm. Ready to catch, ready to analyze, ready to jab, but always bend. Never make your limbs straight, nor the legs, nor the arms. So, opponents far, I am here, this way, ready to attack. The opponents arrive, I close my guard. The opponent is near me, I close myself. To maintain an up and safe guard stance, imagine to be tied by a rope around your chest. This way you will know how to be. Remember, these are only basic indications for a correct guard stance. There are plenty of things that can be said, that can be changed. So, if you have questions, please add them in the comments below. The perfect guard stance is the one who helps you to fight better. You have to be balanced, you have to be ready to attack and to defend. All the rest is only blah blah blah. I am Hong Ling for 6dragonscanfu.com. See you in the next video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you want to learn better, follow our core course